Hi guys, I really hope you all are doing well and doing safe. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Zipanita. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys this dewy full coverage thick eyeliner makeup tutorial that I have created using only Sugar Cosmetics. This video is not sponsored by Sugar. However, I was planning to do Sugar one brand tutorial since a very long time. So here I am sharing this makeup look with you people. So without any more blabbering, let's get started with today's video. Let's go. So I'm starting off by applying Sugar, the most eligible smoothing primer. I have taken pea-sized amount at the back of my hand and then I'm applying it on my face. Now you are supposed to warm the product before applying it. So I will be applying it on all over my face, and after that I will be using liquid highlighter, and for that I'm using only light liquid highlighter in the shade 03. As it's going to be a dewy makeup look, so I'm using a liquid highlighter. And I'm applying it only on the highest points of my face, like on my chin, forehead, cupid's bow, bridge of the nose, and obviously on my cheekbone. And then I'm blending it out using Sugar. What was the brush name? I forgot. Okay, the brush name is the Blend Trend Foundation Brush 051. The tools that I have used are also from Sugar Cosmetics. So you have to blend the highlighter really well. And for the foundation, I'm using Sugar Ace of Face foundation stick in the shade 40 Breve, which is my exact skin tone match, and it's a full coverage foundation. You will also get a brush at the back of this product, but I'm not going to use that. So to blend out my foundation, I'm using Blend Trend Kabuki foundation brush 052. It's a flat top kabuki brush, and I'm blending the foundation in circular motion, as you guys can see in the video. For the concealer, I'm using Sugar Magic Wand waterproof concealer in the shade 45 Copanna, which is my exact skin tone match. But this particular shade has a rich yellow undertone in it, which is quite visible. So I always prefer using very less amount. And this concealer is also full coverage. So I'm just applying it under my eyes, around my mouth, and around my nose, and a little bit on my forehead. I will be using that same concealer as my eyeshadow base. Okay. Next, to blend out the concealer, I'm using Blend Trend Face Brush 003, which is an angled brush. Now, next, to set my concealer, I'm using Sugar Translucent Powder, and I'm using that same concealer brush to apply the product, and I'm kind of pressing the powder on my skin, as you guys can see. मेरे अंडर आइज पे बहुत ज़्यादा क्रीजिंग होती है, सो दैट्स वाई मैं हमेशा ये वाली टेक्निक फॉलो करती हूँ. ठीक है. For contouring, I'm using Sugar Contour de Force face palette in the shade 02 Vivid Victory, and the brush I'm using is 001 face brush. It's a small round brush. So I'm just contouring my face as usual. बहुत ही हार्शली मैं कर रही हूँ बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट दैट शार्प कॉन्टोरिंग. तो मैं मेरी जॉ लाइन पे इसको अप्लाई कर लूँगी, देन ऑन माई चिक्स एंड ऑन माई फोरहेड. For my nose, I will be using a pointed brush just to get a sharp nose contouring. Next, I will be taking the blush shade and I will apply it. Now this palette is super pigmented, so you have to work very carefully. So I'm just applying the blush and blending it with the contour shade as well, so that you know दोनों shades evenly blended दिखे and ऐसा ना लगे कि कोई line create हो गई है. And I'm just doing a fake smile while applying the blush. And I have used that same round brush. I haven't switched the brush. Okay. After that, for highlighter, I will be using Blend Trend Face Brush 006, and this brush is a must-have for highlighter application. Now we always prefer using like fan brushes, but trust me, once you start using this brush, you're gonna love it. Okay. Okay, let's start the eye makeup. So here I'm using Sugar eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade 04 Fetish. So I will be taking that light peach color, and the brush that I'm using is what's the brush name? Okay, 043, and I will be applying that same shade on my lower lash line. Next I will be taking this orange shade, and I'm taking a pointed brush to apply the product, and the brush number is 042. I'm applying it on my crease, and that's all. Okay, for my lower lash line I will be taking this mauve shade, and I will be using that same 042 brush to apply the product. I'm not going to apply that orange shade, I'm just applying that mauve color under my eyes, and I will be using that same mauve color on my crease line as well. After that I will take a big, like a small blending brush. The number is 043 to blend all the shades properly. Next I'm using that golden shade on my eyelid, like all over eyelid पे मैं apply कर रही हूँ इस shade को with my finger. If you wish you can use a brush, but I always prefer using fingers to apply shimmer shades. Next I'm using Sugar liquid eyeshadow in the shade 04 Bronze Brilliance, and the brush that I'm using is 413, which is a dual ended brush. So I'm using that flat brush to apply the product, and again I'm applying it on all over my eyelid. Next for the eyeliner I'm using Sugar eyeliner, which is one of my favorite eyeliner. It's because it's super pigmented, it has that jet black color, it's long lasting, it's transfer proof and what not. Okay, I just love this eyeliner. So I'm just creating a winged eyeliner. At first मैंने ना बहुत ही thinly वो draw किया था, but after that I realized that मैं उसको थोड़ा सा थिक करूँगी. सो मैं धीरे धीरे उसको थिक कर रही हूँ. ऐसा नहीं कि पहले ही मैंने एकदम थिक आईलाइनर अप्लाई कर लिया था. डेफिनेटली नो, आपको पहले थिन आईलाइनर ड्रॉ करनी है एंड देन यू हैव टू मेक इट थिक. ओके, फॉर द मस्कारा आई एम यूजिंग शुगर lash mauve limitless mascara. I'm coating my lashes really well, though I'm going to apply false eyelashes, but still you have to coat your lashes pretty well, especially your lower lashes. For the lipstick I have applied nude mauve color, but the only problem with this one कि ये ना transfer proof नहीं है, so it do transfer, and this lipstick is not from Sugar by the way. You guys can see that ये बहुत ज़्यादा transfer होती है. So to make it transfer proof I will be using Sugar lip zip matte topper, which will make any lipstick matte. So that's how it looks like. It has got a silicone top, and that's how the product looks like. So I will be applying it on my lips on top of the lipstick, obviously, to make it transfer proof. And this will make like this particular product will make any lipstick matte and transfer proof, and this is something that you have to get your hands on. I have already shared a short video. If you haven't seen that video yet, I will request you all to see that video as well. And you guys can see that मेरी लिपस्टिक अभी स्मज नहीं हो रही है, लाइक ट्रांसफर नहीं हो रही है, स्मज तो हो ही नहीं रही है. शुगर लिप जिप मैट टॉपर आपकी लिपस्टिक को ट्रांसफर प्रूफ एंड मैट तो बनाएगी ही, बट ये ना बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट वेट है, आपके लिप्स को ड्राई नहीं कर देगी एंड कंफर्टेबल है. Don't forget to check out the description box for other makeup tutorials, and this is my final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you recreate this look, then don't forget to tag me on my social medias. I would love to repost that. Okay, so yep, see you guys soon. Bye and take care.